Guys, this is KTS coming to you with a Skylar review today. Yes, today she'll be reviewing Dogritos. It is made by, sorry for that. She is excited for her toy. It is made by Spots Food Fun. Dog toy with squeaker. And this is what going to YouTube or Snapchat or Instagram or Facebook. Post a picture or a video of your dog playing with this toy with our spots for a chance to win a free toy. So I might do that for Skylar. And this thing only cost me $3.99. I got it at my local Big Lots. So let's see how she does it. Hey Skylar, she wants it. Let's see. Does she like it? Would she like it? Yes, she loves it. Skylar gave this thing she gives it a 10 out of 10 bones because she loves all the toys she gets. So this is KTS signing out. Have a good day. Bye-bye.